14 Healthy Reasons to Eat Cabbage plus an Awesome Recipe. Do I have to eat my cabbage? When I was a little girl, I had my first taste of cabbage. I broke out in a cold sweat and gulped it down as instructed. To my surprise, as well as my parents, I liked it. Whether it was raw or cooked, I love the stuff. Today, when I want to shed a few pounds, I make a killer cabbage soup which I will share with you later. But first, I want you to know how healthy this member of the cruciferous family is. So stay tuned, my friends. I'm about to knock your socks off with 14 reasons why you need to eat your cabbage. 14 healthy reasons to love your cabbage. I hope that after you read this section, you'll let me know if you have learned more about this super healthy vegetable and whether you intend to include it in your diet. I'm also hoping you'll want to try my healthy, delicious, cabbage soup recipe given below. And now drum roll, it's my pleasure to share with you the 14 healthy reasons you need cabbage in your diet. Throughout history, cabbage has been harvested for its medicinal purposes. It's high in amino acids and is believed to help those who are suffering from any type of inflammation. I've actually tested the effects of cabbage and inflammation. I've dealt with this for years and can testify that cabbage has helped to reduce my own inflammation. Besides being low in carbohydrates, cabbage is also an excellent source of vitamin C. In fact, one serving or cup of cabbage provides more than 50% of the daily requirement for vitamin C. Cabbage is an excellent source of vitamin K. One cup of cabbage provides more than 90% of the recommended daily allowance. Vitamin K plays an important role in helping the body fight against invaders and bacteria. Since cabbage is high in vitamin K, it aids in strengthening the immune system and helps the body fight against sickness and disease. Cabbage contains manganese. It's a good source of vitamin B6. This cruciferous vegetable is loaded with folate. Cabbage even contains omega-3 fatty acids. If you're looking for vitamin B1 and B2, look no further. Cabbage supply you with this too. You'll find plenty of potassium in this pungent vegetable. Vitamin A is found in cabbage. Being rich in vitamin A, cabbage is said to be very good for your eyes as well as your skin. Cabbage provides your body with tryptophan. You'll even find protein in this inexpensive green or purple head of cabbage. Magnesium is yet another healthy mineral found in cabbage. Cabbage is also a rich source of dietary fiber, providing nearly 15% of the daily recommended requirement. Fiber is very important for ensuring that the body's digestive system is functioning and regular. Eating cabbage is a great way to ensure that your digestive tract is functioning at optimum level. Here is an added bonus. Cabbage contains phytonutrients that help the body in fighting against the free radicals responsible for damaging cell membranes. Also, phytonutrients aid in the production of enzymes that help in detoxification. Get a load of these additional cabbage benefits. Studies indicate that eating both red and green cabbage helps to prevent cancer. Many of us have lost loved ones due to this horrific disease. My mother died of breast cancer. My best friend lost her battle with colon cancer, my ex-husband died of kidney cancer, and I lost my beautiful son to testicular cancer. Because cabbage has been found to be associated with a lower incidence of cancer, especially lung, stomach, colon and prostate cancer, I urge you to include it in your diet. Here are more benefits. This vegetable is very good for building of muscles and a healthy body. This is because it is rich in iodine, which is necessary for proper muscle development. Researchers have proved that fresh cabbage juice helps in the healing of stomach ulcers. It also contains sulfur, which is very effective in the treatment of fungus infection and gastritis. Cabbage also contains plenty of vitamin C and vitamin D. The former helps in the burning of fat, while the latter helps maintain skin vigor. Sulforaphane, found in cabbage, augments the production of antioxidant and detoxification enzymes in the body. According to www.webmd.com, sulforaphane may increase the death of cancer cells. Cabbage contains lactic acid that acts to disinfect the colon. Lactic acid is also a significant source of energy for the body. It even helps reduce soreness of muscles. Cabbage is known to have detoxifying properties. It purifies the blood and works to remove toxins from the body. The vitamin C and sulfur present in cabbage accounts for its detoxifying qualities. Free radicals and uric acid, which are identified to be the main cause of rheumatism, gout, arthritis, renal calculi, skin diseases, eczema, hardening and decolorization of skin etc., are also removed from the body due to cabbage consumption. Drinking 25 to 50 milliliters of cabbage juice helps treat headache, asthma, bronchitis and digestion problems. The vitamin B in cabbage helps in sustaining veracity of nerve endings as well as boosting of energy metabolism. Red cabbage contains an antioxidant known as anthocyanin. This antioxidant is believed to be helpful in protection of brain cells and thus, in the avoidance of Alzheimer's disease. The vitamin E found in cabbage helps to keep the hair and skin healthy and beautiful. You will need the following: 1/2 medium head cabbage, chopped. 4 stalks of celery, cut into small slices. 1 sweet onion, finely diced. 4 large carrots cut into small slices. 2 large potatoes, peeled and sliced. 1 14.5 ounces can organic tomatoes. 1 1/2 cups tomato vegetable juice cocktail. 3 cups vegetable broth. 1 14.5 ounces chicken broth, delete if vegetarian. 3/4 cup ketchup or 1 can tomato paste. Suggestions: you can also add kale, wash thoroughly, or okra and perhaps a can of corn. Place the cabbage into an 8-quart soup pot. Add carrots, celery, potatoes and any other veggies you choose. Add sautéed onion. Stir in ketchup or tomato paste. Next, add chicken and vegetable broth, adding water to empty containers and cover. Bring mixture to a boil and simmer for 2 to 3 hours. I like to top off each individual serving with some Parmesan cheese and serve with a loaf of French baguette bread sliced. This recipe freezes well for a quick dinner when you need one. So there you have 14 healthy reasons to eat your cabbage and a recipe for a healthy soup. And if you want to lose a pound or 2, this is a good way to get started and you can eat all you want.